Hello students, welcome to Online Study for You, one-step solution for all your placement needs. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about TCS Digital and TCS Ninja students, right? So the agenda of this video will be discussing some of important topics like what will be the pattern of TCS Digital exam, then TCS Ninja and Digital salary, what you will be getting if placed, then what is the exam date of TCS Digital, TCS Digital interview dates and also interview dates of TCS Ninja students. We'll be also talking about how to check if you are qualified for Ninja and Digital because these are the most common questions we are having in our comment section. So we'll be telling you those also, and we'll be also showing you emails like how in what way the emails our students are getting. And then we'll be also telling you some of the TCS Digital previous year questions so that you can have an idea about how the things would actually be, right? So like what kind of questions you'll be facing. So now I won't waste much time and let's move ahead. So here you can see that this is the TCS Digital official pattern, which means that this pattern is sent by TCS itself to TPUs of many different colleges. Like it's not just about any one college, to our students from different colleges, to their TPU. This pattern is being shared where there is no aptitude section, like there is nothing from quant, verbal or reasoning, and it's only a one test. There will be only one section, that is of advanced coding section, which will be a difficult one, and you will be getting 1 hour 60 minutes, and there will be two questions. Obviously the first one would be means comparatively easier and second one would be difficult. So this would be the pattern for TCS Digital test. But here I would also like to tell you about the rumored pattern which many other are sharing, which where they are telling about there will be also a verbal ability 10 minutes 15 questions and quant aptitude also of 40 minutes 15 questions. But what I would means we don't agree on this because in most of the students in their colleges they have received only this pattern where there is only one section of advanced coding of 1 hour having two questions, one easier comparatively easier and one difficult. But here we are not completely denying it because it might be possible that in premier colleges they are just taking this advanced coding section, and in other colleges they are again taking this verbal or quant. But we have not yet received any official info regarding this rumored pattern, but it is rumored, so we also shared it here so that you can get idea about everything whatever is going around, right? So now about the salary which you will be getting. So those students who will be selected for Ninja will be getting 3.6 LPA, right? 3.6 lakh per annum, which is like 30,000 per month. That's great. Those students who will be selected for TCS Digital profile, they'll be getting 7 LPA. So this is very much. And then there is also, which not known about many students, that there is also a TCS Innovator, right? So what it is, that students who perform exceptionally well, like when they are having their TCS Digital interview, and in there their performance is exceptionally well, the projects they are working on is of like having they have used latest technology and they are very well known about, they are having lots of experience in latest technology, they'll be given this profile TCS Innovator, which is very very exceptional. Most of the students will be getting Ninja or Digital. Now here what I would like to add, that those students who will be now taking up the test for TCS Digital, if they will qualify for TCS Digital, they will give interview, means they will give interview for TCS Digital profile. If they fail in that, then they will still get the chance to give interview for TCS Ninja profile. Also in second case, suppose in the test which they are going to give now, which is TCS Digital test, if they fail in that test, although they will not get chance for interview in TCS Digital, but they will sit for TCS Ninja interview. Okay, so students who have got interview emails right now means they are received for TCS Ninja profile. Those who have received mail for IRC TCS Digital test, so they are for sure that they will be getting chance for TCS Ninja interview at least for sure. And if they pass the TCS Digital test as well, which is, it would be only coding based, so then they will get chance for sitting for TCS Digital interview as well, which will be for 7 LPM. And if they will fail, then again they will give test for TCS Ninja interview as well, 3.6 LPA. Okay, then TCS Digital exam date. So today from 5 to 7 p.m. This is the date. Some are having 5 to 6 p.m. Some 6 to 7 p.m. They are having their IRC. Like what we had before NQT also, you know that there was very problems IRC and DRC test. They are like something like a system test, system checking, system test, right? So here what would happen that in IRC 10th November, and then next day, let's tomorrow will be the DRC test between 5 to 7 p.m. There will be 5 to 6 for some and 6 to 7 for some other. And then final test. All will be having on the very same day. What info we have that most of the students, or I think that all students have their final on 12th November. That is the actual TC digital test of 1 hour, two coding questions, 5 to 6 or 6 to 7. This info what we are having till now on 12th of November. So this is the date for TC digital exam. Then TCS interview date for Ninja students who have received email for interview that they will be having the interview soon, like these. So they can have their interview any day now, because many students have had their interview today also. Some are all having right now, and means they can have any day now. It means even it's possible that today evening you receive an email regarding interview, and tomorrow morning you are having an interview for TCS Ninja. So Ninja students can have the interview any day. And for digital students, after 12th November, when your test is completed, expect within 7 to 10 days. Like what I believe that on 12th, you'll be having a test, and then 14, 15, 16, these days, you can think about it. They'll be like Diwali holidays. And after that date, like from 17, you can have your interview any date. Any date means any date. What more I would like to tell you here that interviews, unlike other tests like Capgemini or Incognizant, I don't think that HRMR was there, but here MR round will be also there. What I would like to tell you that there is a bit slight difference between HR and MR round, because in HR round there will be not questions like, there won't be going so much deep like how your personality is all about and other. But when someone is specifically taking MR round, that is managerial round, so there will be like for sure the round will might be like 15 to 20 minutes longer. Yes, it's possible, like equal to time of technical round. And questions will be like behavioral questions, situational questions, that in this situation what you will do. And student, if you're not known about it how to reply, then you are going to fail. Means there are high chance that you means you won't be able to do good, because MR round, it's not just like HR round, and it is difficult. Many students, many good companies also, and TCS is also taking this year MR round. So this is quite difficult, right? Because percentage students selected are way higher. This is the major reason. As you also might have seen or analyzed, what we also analyzed, that percentage of students who were placed previous year are means they were way lesser than the students who are placed this time. Not placed means selected for Ninja or this for digital also. There are many students who are selected. So you can expect rigorous interview, because they have their number that they have to take this much student only, right? So therefore, they would be very strict filtration, because they have their number, as I told you. And since there are students who are qualified are too much this time, so that's why interviews are going to be very rigorous, right? So here is the solution from online study for you, the interview solution. What we are providing is interview specific material. All subjects and branch specific material is included in that material, right? And along with it, interview experience of our previous year students is also included. Other than that, we have also included the interview experience of Code Vita's experienced student of this year also, right? Then we are also conducting mock interviews, TR and HR both, that is technical and HR both interviews, means it will also consisting of this MR interview as well, which is something new which TCS is conducting this time. So these will be live interviews, the separate technical one, and then HR and MR. And along with it, at the end, we'll be sharing you the feedback as well, that where are the things that you are performing good, and which are the subjects or the things where you need to improve. Also, we'll be providing a special guidance to crack thesis NQT in this package, in this solution. And it also includes resume correction, which means that if there are some errors in your resume, or if means if you are in doubt that if you have the format of your resume is right, if you have included some unnecessary things, or if you have not included some necessary things. So those all correction will be also included in this package. So the price is only rupees 399. The registration link in Instagram bio. So you can check there. You can click on the link, and then you can opt for, you can register. So but we are very sorry that we are starting it for the first time, and only for first 100 registrations this is valid. Like we'll be taking only 100 students this time. So only price rupees 399, and interview specific material, then mock interviews, special guidance to TCS NQT cracking, and resume correction as well included. So you can check the registration link in bio. So how to register, you can see here. Let me just take the highlighter. Okay, so we have the highlighter here. So what you have to do, you have to on Instagram search for online study for you.placement. You will get this in search result at the top. And here you can say our channel. There are more than 1100 followers now currently. And here you will get the link through which you can register for this package, right? Then how to check that you are placed in which profile, or you are selected or not, ninja or digital what. So what I would tell you, that if you are waiting for your digital result, then digital result for like almost, or you can say all student has been already sent, because digital is, as I told you, that it is on 12th. So digital mail for those students who are selected for digital test has been already sent. The mail is like this way, right? So IRC mail has been sent for TCS digital hiring for those students who have topped Ninja. So this is a very detailed mail. This is a long mail. I have just taken this screenshot of this part. And if you are selected for Ninja, then you are getting this kind of interview. But don't think that you have not yet got, then you are not getting, because these are means being sent very late. Like some students got it at 9 or 10 p.m. yesterday. Some student even got it at around 3 to 4 a.m. at night, or you can say early morning, what you can call it. At night 3 to 4, you can say here time also, this one at 3:34 a.m. Okay, and some are still getting it. The best thing is that detail is also shared with college TPU. So in case they are missing or there is some error, so you can contact your TPU that if they have received the list. If they receive the final list, you can check that you are selected or not. Then as I promised, some of the previous year coding questions, so that you can have a guess that what would be the level and how, in what manner the questions will be asked. So first question was, it was from I think 19, the find 15 term of the series. So a series is given, you have to find 15 term. So the thing here is the odd term is increment of 7. You can see the odd terms means this first element, third element, fifth element, seventh element. These are multiples of 7, or you can say incrementing by 7, 0 to 7, 14, 21, 28. And even terms are increment of 6. You can say the second element, even number start from 2, 0. Here you can say 6, then 12, 18, and then it would be 24 or something. So we have to find 15 terms. So we have to form logic for this thing. And second question we can see, consider the following series 1, 1, 2, 3. If you see that this series you are not getting anything, right? But how you have to analyze is that this is a mixture of two series. Like all the odd terms in this series form a geometric series. Odd means this 1, then 2, you can say square 4, sorry, double 8, then 16, 32, 64, 1 to 8. And even terms form yet another geometric series with different logic. So it is 1, then 3, 9, right? 27 means multiple of 3, 81, 2437, 299, 2187, and so on. So there will be something other, write a program to find nth term. Similarly, like this, we have to find any n term. Here it was specific 15th term, and here any nth term you have to find. So these kind of questions asked. So I hope that if you are getting like this some kind of this question related to series, then you can easily guess that you have to bifurcate it in even series and odd series, and this way you can crack it. So now finally coming to over that the PDF material which we have made, the link for this website, our website online study for you, is in description of this channel, of this video, so you can go through it. And then coming to the premium material, you will find here the PDF section, right? You can select PDF, and you can see here that we have uploaded the specific PDF material for TCS NQT examinations, which consists of material, as I also discussed in our package also, where this is also a part of it. Here you can say it is for 149 rupees only, and that complete package is of is priced for rupees 399 only. So this, if you take that 399 package, then apart from the resume correction, special attention, mock interviews of separately for TR and HR, different interviews, you will be also getting this also in that package also, or you can take it as separately for 149 only. This is only PDF material which will be having questions from all the subjects, all the interview with importing with the perspective of an interview, the questions which could be asked from different branches also. There will be of different subjects also, then DBMS, operating system for electrical branch, mechanical branch, everything is combined here along with previous year experience of our student. So here is I'm ending this video. Hope you like this video and got so much information. If you have any queries regarding how to buy that, how to register for that package of rupees 349 or this 149, if if you are unable to register or find this, please comment down. Or if you want some more videos like this, or if you have any query, please comment down. And you can follow our Instagram channel as well, or you can send your query in our Telegram channel as well. So we are all available there 24/7, and we will help you out in best possible way. So students, we will meet in our next video. Till then, keep learning.